Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video, we will learn about placeholder. For example, if we are loading an image from internet, then the image might take some time to load. Meanwhile, we can show another image to the user and that image will be helpful for user to understand what is happening. For example, we can show a loading image, and with this image user will understand that the image is being loaded. So for that we will use a method placeholder and provide an image. So here r.drawable.image name. Make sure this image is in drawable folder. Do not use any image that is on internet, otherwise this will also take some time to load. Okay, so this is placeholder. The next is error placeholder. Sometimes there might be some situation in which image will not load. For example, server is not responding or address is wrong or corrupted. In that case we can show another placeholder, that is error, and this image will be shown instead of this image. Okay, so we will use error. So let's move to the Android Studio for the practical. Here in the drawable I have added two images, one is error and another is loading. So let's double click here. This is the error image and this is the loading image. So first let's run this application. And here you can see our application is running. So let's start. First create a string address 1. And this is address 2. In the first address 1 we will add this kingfisher image. So copy its address and paste here. In the address 2 copy this address and paste. Now we have two images, and in the load address 1. Meanwhile the image will load, we can show placeholder. So placeholder r dot drawable dot loading, and again let's run. Here you can see loading and this is the image. Now sometimes due to some reason the image might not load. For example, here I am just changing its address, and when I will run it will give error. And to show the error we can use error placeholder. So error r dot drawable dot error. Now this time this image will not load because this address is not correct. So let's try to run this. Here loading and then error. Okay. One more thing, we can also use no placeholder. So first let me correct this jpg. Now here let's again copy this code and paste, and here address 2. Now when we will run this, first this address 1 image will load, and after that the address 2 image will load. Between these two image, that means when the second image will load, meanwhile the placeholder will show. Okay, so placeholder is loading image, but we want that meanwhile the second image is loading, only show the previous image, don't show placeholder. And for that we can use no placeholder. First let's run this and let's see what happens. Now if we use no placeholder, then run, here loading. So friends, this is enough for this video. In the next video we will learn something else. Meanwhile, please hit like button, subscribe the channel and also share the video. See you in the next. Till then, bye.